Welcome to Howuku. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to install the tracking code for Howuku in Google Tag Manager. First, you need to have a Howuku account and a Google Tag Manager account. Then, navigate to the Howuku dashboard to get the unique tracking code that you'll need to install on your website. Next, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Once you're logged in, click on the Add a New Tag button to create a new tag and give it a name. In the Tag Configuration section, select Custom HTML as your tag type. Then, copy the tracking code from the Howuku dashboard and paste it into the HTML field. In the Triggering section, select the trigger that will fire the tag. Once you've set up the tag, click Save to save the changes. You're now ready to publish the container by clicking on the Submit button in the top right corner of the screen. After you've installed the tracking code, you need to verify that it's working correctly. Navigate back to the Howuku dashboard and verify the Google Tag Manager installation. When you see the celebration animation, it indicates that the tracking code has been installed correctly. Now you can start improving your website's conversion rate. Thank you for watching our video. Try it out for yourself today to accelerate your conversions with Howuku, the all-in-one CRO suite.